Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prajwal from Indie Crypto, and in today's video we'll quickly look at some of the important updates that's been happening in the cryptocurrency space in India and around the world. So here is a very good article I came across today, which is titled "What the Indian Tax Officer Wants to Know About Your Bitcoin Gains." Now if I scroll down, there are a series of questions that seems to be have sent and signed by an income tax officer from Pune, and it has a series of questions in regards to your cryptocurrency investments and a lot of other stuff. It's actually a very good read, and this article is actually posted by an ID called blockchainlawyer.india on Medium. So there are few inputs that's been also provided from the writer itself, which are very interesting. So I highly recommend any cryptocurrency investor or trader to definitely go through these articles, and it's a very good read. And moving on, looks like the exchanges are still continuing adding new coins and bringing new coins to India. Although this time BitBNS is launched Litecoin and Monero. Litecoin was already there on most of the exchanges in India, but yeah, adding Monero is definitely something unique that no other Indian exchange is currently offering. So as the title or the heading here says, Monero and Litecoin deposits are live. Check the wallet section to start deposits. So looks like the exchanges are bringing in new and unique coins, which is definitely a big advantage for all the cryptocurrency enthusiasts and users in India. And moving on, there has been a lawsuit that's been going around, the self-proclaimed Satoshi. As you guys know, there was one guy who claimed he was the founder of Bitcoin, and there is a lawsuit on him, and he's being sued for $10 billion. So you can go through this article. I'll actually leave the article link in the description below again. And moving on, looks like cryptocurrency is slowly and steadily making its mark in the e-commerce industry, starting with Starbucks. Starbucks is looking out to use blockchain, and they want to introduce their own cryptocurrency called Starbucks coin. And also another e-commerce giant called Rakuten, which is using cryptocurrency to build their loyalty rewards based system using their own cryptocurrency coin. And another e-commerce giant from China is launching a blockchain startup accelerator so that it can encourage startups to build applications for them in regards to their business. So that's a very good sign in terms of the adoption of cryptocurrency. There was a lot of talks about GeoCoin being launched in India as well, although I didn't actually look into it. If some of the bigger companies are looking out to adopt blockchain and cryptocurrencies, that will definitely help in the adoption and help in more awareness and education for people on how blockchain and cryptocurrencies can be used. So those are some of the important updates that did happen today. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're somebody new here, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so that you get notified whenever we post new videos. So that's it in this video, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.